Welcome back, everyone. Today, I've got a game-changing secret to share with you that will revolutionize the way you think about making money online. Imagine a simple, straightforward method that involves nothing more than copy-pasting from Google News. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, prepare to have your mind blown, because this method is not only real but also incredibly effective. Stay tuned to discover the step-by-step process of turning Google News into your personal cash cow. Also, don't forget to download the free ebook on how to make money online using AI chatbots without coding. The link is in the description down below. So let's get started. Understanding the strategy. In today's digital age, information is not just power, it's also a pathway to profits. The strategy of making money through Google News revolves around the sheer volume and diversity of news content available on this platform. With millions of articles being published daily on a wide range of topics, Google News serves as a treasure trove of trending information that can be leveraged for financial gain. The key lies in identifying the right pieces of news that resonate with audiences and have the potential to drive traffic and engagement. One of the fundamental reasons why this strategy works is the inherent curiosity and interest people have in staying updated with current events. By tapping into this natural inclination, content creators can attract viewers who are actively seeking information and insights related to trending news topics. This creates a symbiotic relationship where viewers benefit from relevant content, while creators benefit from increased viewership and potential monetization opportunities. Moreover, Google News operates on algorithms that prioritize and highlight popular and trending stories. This means that by aligning your content with these trending topics, you are more likely to gain visibility and reach a wider audience. This strategic positioning within the Google News ecosystem can significantly boost the discoverability of your content, ultimately translating into higher earnings potential through ad revenue, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing partnerships. Before we continue, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Leave a comment down below with the country you live in. Choosing profitable topics. Selecting the right topics is a crucial step in the process of making money by copy-pasting from Google News. Start by conducting thorough research to identify trending subjects that are generating buzz and capturing the attention of a broad audience. Keep an eye on keywords and phrases that are consistently appearing in news headlines, as these often indicate popular and engaging topics that can drive traffic to your content. Another strategy is to align your content with current events or developments within niche industries that are of interest to your target audience. For example, if you're passionate about technology, focus on news related to new product launches, industry trends, or breakthrough innovations. By catering to specific interests within your audience base, you can establish yourself as a reliable source of information and attract dedicated followers who value your insights. Furthermore, consider the evergreen appeal of certain topics that have enduring relevance and attract ongoing interest over time. While trending news can provide immediate spikes in viewership, creating content around evergreen topics ensures a steady stream of traffic and engagement in the long run. Strike a balance between timely and timeless content to maintain a dynamic content strategy that resonates with your audience's evolving interests and preferences. Creating compelling content. Crafting compelling content is essential to maximize the impact of your Google News copy-pasting strategy. Start by focusing on creating attention-grabbing headlines that pique curiosity and compel viewers to click on your videos. Use powerful words, intriguing questions, or enticing promises to draw people in and make them eager to learn more about the news topic you're covering. In addition to captivating headlines, pay attention to the quality of your video summaries or descriptions. Clearly communicate the key points of the news story, highlight any unique angles or insights you're providing, and entice viewers with a brief preview of what they can expect from your content. Remember, the goal is to engage viewers from the moment they come across your video thumbnail or title. Visual appeal plays a significant role in holding viewers' attention and enhancing the overall viewing experience. Incorporate relevant visuals such as images, graphics, or video clips related to the news story to complement your narration or discussion. Visual elements not only break up the monotony of text, but also help reinforce the information you're presenting, making it more memorable and engaging for your audience. Experiment with different visual styles and formats to find what resonates best with your viewers and keeps them coming back for more. If you're eager to quit the 9-to-5 hamster wheel, make sure you subscribe so I can keep creating more content like this. Monetization strategies. Once you've created compelling content and built an audience around Google News copy pasting, it's time to explore various monetization strategies to turn your efforts into revenue. One of the most common methods is through ad revenue, where you earn money based on the number of views and interactions your videos receive. Platforms like YouTube offer monetization options that allow you to display ads before, during, or after your videos, with revenue generated based on ad impressions and viewer engagement. Another lucrative avenue is affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services related to the news topics you cover and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your affiliate links. Look for affiliate programs that align with your content niche and audience interests, and integrate relevant product recommendations seamlessly into your videos. By providing valuable insights or recommendations, you can leverage your influence to drive conversions and earn passive income through affiliate partnerships. Additionally, consider exploring sponsored content opportunities where brands or companies pay you to feature their products, services, or messages in your videos. Collaborating with sponsors can provide a steady stream of income, while also adding diversity to your content and offering value to your viewers through exclusive deals or promotions. Just ensure that any sponsored content aligns with your brand values and resonates with your audience to maintain authenticity and trust. Experiment with a combination of these monetization strategies to optimize your earnings and create a sustainable income stream from your Google News copy pasting endeavors. If you can't wait to achieve financial freedom and live life on your terms, hit the like button. Best practices and tips to succeed in making money through Google News copy pasting. It's essential to follow best practices and implement effective strategies. One key tip is to streamline your content creation process by using tools and resources that help you efficiently find and curate news content. Consider using news aggregation platforms, RSS feeds, or keyword monitoring tools to stay updated with the latest trends and topics that are gaining traction. Consistency is another crucial aspect of building a successful content strategy. Aim to regularly upload new videos that cover relevant and timely news topics to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Develop a content calendar or schedule to plan your video releases strategically and maintain a consistent presence on your channel, which can contribute to increased visibility and subscriber growth over time. Furthermore, stay proactive in monitoring audience feedback, engagement metrics, and analytics to understand what resonates with your viewers and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Engage with your audience through comments, polls, or Q&A sessions to foster a sense of community and loyalty. Incorporate feedback and insights from your audience to fine-tune your content, improve viewer satisfaction, and ultimately maximize your earning potential from Google News copy pasting. If you want to earn $0 and 63 cents per click on autopilot for free, make sure you click the video showing on the screen